Dear students, this is the video for third example of formal invitation. This type of invitation is for inviting some chief guest, some special guest, some judge on the occasion that has to be formally celebrated by some institute. In this example, we are going to discuss the opening ceremony of a branch office. And in this question, the mayor of the city is to be invited as the chief guest. Obviously, the kind of invitation we did before, in that invitation, we did the invitation for all the guests on the occasion that has been celebrated by an institute, but this type of invitation is for special guest only who is going to preside over that function as special guest or chief guest. So question has been shown over there that the question is related to the opening of branch office. The address of the branch office has been given and the occasion is given that it is the opening ceremony, and it has also been described that you want to invite the mayor of the city on this occasion, right? So first of all, the way out the sorry the way of writing this type of invitation is very much different from the invitations we had discussed so far. In this type of invitation, when you want to invite somebody as chief guest or special guest or judge, something like that, in this type of invitation you have to write a formal letter, right? So all the formats of formal letter will be followed over here. First of all, we write down the self address, the person who want to invite, then the date, then the designation and the address of the person whom you want to invite, right? You can see it clearly in this example. Then, like a formal letter, we write down the subject is invitation on the occasion of opening ceremony. Then we write down the salutation as we do in all the formal letters, right? After that, in the body of this formal letter, you will write about the invitation, right? So with the formal line, we open the letter that we are gladly informing you that our company is opening a new branch office at this place, and the address of the place is given, so it will be the venue at which you want to invite the special guests. Then we also write down the date and the time of the occasion, right? So here in the very beginning of the letter we have mentioned the occasion, date, venue and time, right? After that, with in one or two lines, we formally invite that person as chief guest or special guest or whatever you want, right? Again, we tell him to be present at the occasion and we say that he should accept the invitation and oblige. So that's all for the body of the letter. In the body of the letter, you just mention the occasion, date, venue and time, and formally invite the person as chief guest. After this, just like formal letter, we formally end the letter with a complimentary close like this.